Good morning, dear student. I am going to continue chapter 1, the cell. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you about the structure of the animal cell. So let us know about the structure of the cell and the cell organelle along with their function. Animal cell is generally round in shape. So dear students, the structure of the animal cell are basically round. So externally animal cell is bounded by the membrane, and the membrane is known as the outer membrane known as cell membrane or known as plasma membrane. So animal cell is externally bounded by a membrane known as cell membrane or plasma membrane. Its composition is, or it is made of protein and lipid. So dear student, the composition of the cell membrane is protein and lipid. Just beneath the cell membrane or the plasma membrane, there is a liquid medium, semi-liquid medium, where all the chemical reaction used to take place and the cell organelles are suspended. So the liquid medium just beneath the cell membrane is known as a cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, it is chemical in the nature, and all the chemical reaction in the cell take place in the cytoplasm. Also, the living body are suspended in the cytoplasm. Let us see the cell organelle. A cell organelle just above the nucleus, its name is centrosome. Centrosome located just above the nucleus, and its function is it helps in cell division. Help in self-division. So centrosome. Next you see the organelle known as Golgi body. Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus. It was being discovered by the scientist Camillo Golgi, and its function is secretion of enzyme and hormone. So Golgi body or the Golgi apparatus, its function is secretion of enzyme and hormone. Enzymes and hormone. So what do you mean by the enzyme and the hormone? Enzyme and hormone are the biochemical substance which is being released in the body for the different type of the chemical activities. Next, another organelle. It is made of the double layer known as mitochondria. Mitochondria known as powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell. Its function is to release energy. So mitochondria, which is known as a powerhouse of the cell, here respiration used to take place and glucose in the presence of the oxygen, it used to burn to release energy. So mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. Next organelle known as lysosome, which is also known as a suicide bag of the cell. When the cell is injured or become old, certain type of the enzymes are being released from the lysosome, which used to disintegrate the whole cell. So lysosome is also known as a suicidal bag of the cell or the suicide bag of the cell. Means total cell used to be dissolved or it is being over by the lysosome. When the cell is being injured or it becomes old. At the center, the organelle known as nucleus. It acts as a brain of the cell. Brain of the cell. It controls all the function of the cell. As in the human body, brain, which is to control all the action of the body. Similarly, nucleus used to control all the activities of the cell. Nucleus is double wall, double layer, and the layer of the nucleus is known as nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane. Just beneath the nuclear membrane, inside here, liquid medium is present, known as nucleoplasm. plasma. Inside the nucleus, a small oval body is present. The name of this oval body is nucleolus, and its function is protein synthesis. It helps in protein synthesis. Inside the nucleus, thread-like structure. You see here, thread-like structure, and this thread-like structure are known as chromatin, thread, or chromatin network. Chromatin network, which while the cell division, during the cell division, this chromatin network used to become short, coiled, and become chromosome, dear student. So, chromatin network or chromatin thread during the cell division, it become short and thick, known as chromosome. As you know that about the 23 pairs of chromosomes present in our cell. Next you see a cell organelle which start from the nuclear membrane and end to the cell membrane, known as endoplasmic reticulum. Known as endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Its function is to framework of the cell. Dear student, endoplasmic reticulum's function is to framework of the cell. In endoplasmic reticulum, there is the presence of a oval body known as ribosome. Known as ribosome. Ribosome, its function is protein synthesis. Ribosome and nucleolus both help in protein synthesis, dear student. So, this is about the animal cell. Once again, animal cell externally covered by a membrane known as cell membrane, and its composition is protein and lipid, or you can say it is made of protein and lipid. Just beneath the cell membrane there is liquid medium known as cytoplasm, where all the chemical reaction and the cell organelles are suspended. Just above the nucleus you see a organelle known as centrosome. It helps in cell division of animal cell, but it is not found in plant cell. Next you see the organelle known as Golgi apparatus or the Golgi body, which was being discovered by the Camillo Golgi, and its main function is to secrete enzyme and hormone. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as a powerhouse of the cell, which used to release energy after the breakdown of glucose in the presence of oxygen, and due to this reason the particular cell organelle is known as mitochondria and powerhouse of the cell. Lysosome, which is known as a suicide bag of the cell. When the cell is being injured or become old, it is being disintegrated or it is being dissolved by the help of the enzyme secreted by the lysosome, and due to this reason it is known as suicide valve of the cell. At the center, the organelle known as a master controller or the brain of the cell known as nucleus, which used to control all the system of the cell. All the system of the cell known as nucleus, which is externally covered by the membrane known as nuclear membrane. Known as a nuclear membrane. Just beneath the nuclear membrane there is liquid medium known as nucleoplasm. Inside the nucleus, an oval body known as nucleolus, and its function is protein synthesis. Dear student, you pay attention here. Inside the nucleus, thread-like structure you see. The thread-like structure are chromatin thread or known as a chromatin network. During the cell division, this chromatin network used to become coiled and become short, and these are known as chromosome. In human cell, 46 number of the chromosomes are present, which are responsible for the character of the human body. Next you see here, from the nuclear membrane, a strand type which used to start from the nuclear membrane and touch to the cell membrane, known as endoplasmic reticulum, which used to make the framework of the cell. So dear student, this is detail about the structure and the function of the cell organelle. So please, you read the topic animal cell and learn about it, the function of cell organelle. Also you practice the diagram. Okay then, thank you dear students.